Upgrade kitchen refrigeration strategically to prevent bulk grocery overflow and keep family meals organized. Start by sizing needs based on typical weekly bulk purchases and freezer versus fresh storage ratios. Then choose a combination of units rather than relying on a single fridge. Consider a built-in 48-inch refrigerator for main cold storage because its cubic capacity and door organization handle large, fresh produce and deli items while maintaining a consistent temperature. Complement that with an undercounter beverage fridge or slim aisle refrigerator for drinks and frequently accessed items to reduce door openings on the main unit and improve energy efficiency. For frozen goods, think about installing a separate walk-in or pantry freezer if you regularly buy family-size meat packs or pre-prepared meals, and keep it near the kitchen but ventilated and with a dedicated circuit. Use clear labeling and first-in, first-out rotation on shelves and in drawers to avoid waste and keep older items visible. Simple color-coded stickers or dated masking tape work well. Pair physical organization with a smart inventory app that tracks quantities and expiration dates, and train household members to mark items as used so the app reflects real stock. Finally, plan ventilation, door swing clearance, and service access during layout design to avoid costly retrofits and to ensure compressor and condenser clearance for optimal performance. The three most common mistakes are underestimating usable capacity, neglecting airflow requirements, and failing to integrate inventory management. People often buy by external dimensions only and forget shelves, drawers, and usable cubic space, so measure internal volumes and sample shelf layouts before purchase. Improper ventilation or tight cabinetry can cause condensation and compressor strain, so leave manufacturer-specified clearances and consider remote condenser units if space is tight. Relying solely on memory leads to duplicate purchases and waste, so implement simple labeling and a shared inventory list or app and assign one person to quick weekly audits. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and showcases project ideas specifically for large capacity refrigeration upgrades to help plan installations and find installers. We provide a discussion community where we, our neighbors and contractors exchange tips, post photos, and answer practical questions so you can move from idea to installed with confidence.